Okay, student, now we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 17.1, in which the statement question number 4 is construct a right angled isosceles triangle whose hypotenuse is 4.8 centimeter. An isosceles triangle is a triangle in which the two sides are equal. So it is a right angled isosceles triangle we are going to be construct. So in given the hypotenuse of a isosceles right angle triangle is given. So the hypotenuse is given 4.8 centimeter. The length of hypotenuse is given 4.8 centimeter. So first of all we will draw a line segment AB of 4.8 centimeter. So here we are going to draw 4.8 centimeter hypotenuse. So we will give it the name 4AB of 4.8 centimeter. Now first of all we will draw a right bisector of AB, for which we will place the compass 8 point A and open it more than half of AB and draw two arcs up and down. With the same radius, place it at point A and we'll draw arcs which cut the previous arcs at point P and Q. So we give it name the P and Q. Now we will join P and Q with the dotted lines. So PQ is a line, a perpendicular line which draw at AB, which cuts AB at point O. Now with the center O, we will open the compass from O to A or O to B. Here we can open the compass OA and draw a semicircle with the dotted line. Which cuts the PQ at point C. Now with point C we will join C to A and B. Here we will join C to A and C to B. So the required triangle ABC is a right angled isosceles triangle. The steps of constructions are: first of all you will take a line segment AB of 4.8 centimeter, then draw a PQ, right bisector of AB, which cuts AB at point O. The next step is take O as a center and draw a semicircle which cuts AB at take a center O as a center and draw a semicircle of radius OA or OB, or which cuts PQ at point C. Now join C to A and B. So the required triangle is ABC is our required triangle. So in this way, when the hypotenuse of a right angled isosceles triangle is given, you can draw the required triangle like we have done, and constructed the triangle ABC.